The Oppo Enco X earphones should soon get a successor, as an image of the new version of the device has been leaked by reliable leakster, Ice Universe, revealing the design. As far as looks go, Oppo isn't reinventing the wheel with the Enco X2. To Enco's credit, we think these are the nicest looking earbuds in its line so far. The buds look a bit like a more angular AirPods Pro, or a standard AirPod crossed with its Pro sibling. According to the leak, Oppo hasn't gone with a design overhaul for the Enco X2, since they still come in a cobblestone-like charging case, with the buds themselves having an in-ear design, which also have the Dynaudio branding. The rear side of Enco X2's charging case also has the Dynaudio branding, like the Enco X, revealing Oppo once again teamed up with the Danish brand for audio tuning of its earphones. However, it's unclear if the Enco X2's case has a matte finish, or if it is glossy like its predecessor. That said, the silver frame we had on the Enco X's charging case is now done away with, but we still have the Oppo logo on the top side, with the bottom likely housing a USB-C port. We don't know much about Enco X2 yet, but we were very impressed with the Enco X, and we are having similar expectations from the Enco X2. Please subscribe for updates.